Good morning, everybody. Today we're at the Ewok compound. I just put in a little upgrade and we're going to showcase it, see how it works. What I did is I put in these little triangle pieces right here. Hopefully that makes transitioning from grinds and tail slides and everything a lot easier. I also put in the stickers here. Some nice Santa Fe stickers. All right, let's skate. Let's see how it works. The stand-up 50-50 grinds are working perfect. The next thing I want to show you is a spot where the coping stuck out, causing a friend of mine to take a really bad slam when he rolled in one time. As you can see, it's much smoother now. What I did is I took the skate light off the deck, I put a little sheen right next to the coping, and then I put the skate light back on so there's not as much of a bump when you roll in. So what we're going to do next is we're going to try to roll up, skate this little quarter pipe, and then roll back in, see how smooth it is. Hopefully I don't hang up. Let's give it a shot. That roll up switch and then switch blunt is not easy, but the good news is no hang-ups. All right, let's move on. The next thing I did is on the bank to ledge, I had it taper in from the quarter pipe and then set back so you could get a really nice clean pop in. Right there in the middle at the bottom, it's set back so when you pop, you can really get a nice clean pop into the bank. Seemed to work really good. All right, great news. It worked for tail slides across, lip slides across, and one that I was really hyped on was the Smith grind across. The whole reason I put in the triangle pieces and tapered them in is so I could do Smith grind and then come into the other quarter pipe without hanging up, and it worked. And then I ended with a nose blunt slide across. I knew that would work because there's not really much resistance there, but it was the end of the day and I was tired, so it was hard work. I'm gonna take that little sketchy one. Anyways, the thing works great. I might have some friends over or a friend over to test it out, try some different tricks on it. But for now, I'm glad it works. Thanks a lot for watching. All right, my buddies Chris and Colin came over to test out the new obstacle. Hopefully they got some new tricks and some different tricks for it. Make sure it works all buttery. Here's Colin, here's Chris.
What's up?
How's it going? Yeah, Chris, no hang up!
Oh my God! I could not get out of it.